As part of the continuation of Children's Day jollification, the Chairmo of Uhunmwonde Local Government Council, Honorable Benjamin Osas Iredia, waka go Aruosa Primary School Azagba on Wednesday 28 May 2025, where he give the pikins dem important school materials. This kind better move show say him really care about pikins dem and wan make dem grow wella. The whole place sweet well as the children happy and show their joy. One pikin and the head teacher of the school wey yarn with us praise the Chairmo for the good thing wey him do. The head teacher come yarn say na the first time wey dem see this kind support and he call am one big and unforgettable moment for the school.
My name is Joy. I am in primary 4. I am attending Aruosa Primary School. I want to thank for giving me a gift on Children's Day.
First, I want to really appreciate the council chairman, which is the Uhunmwonde Local Government Council Chairman, Honorable Benjamin Osas Iredia, for this gesture. I think I've been from the beginning of this job that I have today. I think this is the first time I'm witnessing this kind of gesture. For a chairman to remember that he have pupils in the primary school, he see them as future leaders. To come up with a team to the school to say, I have a gift for you people. It was surprising. It was amazing to all. But so if you look at me, the joy in me, I'm so happy to see this kind of thing happening in Uhunmwonde local government today. So I want to say thank you, Mr. Chairman, for doing this, for selecting my school to be the one that you want to recognize this day of Children's Day, to come and say, my children, how are you doing? To celebrating with us, with this, thank you and God bless you.
This kind of move by Honorable Iredia shows say him serious to build the future of Uhunmwonde. It shows say he believe well for the power of education and truly love pikin them, especially for this kind of special time for children. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimo, TMC News.